Why do kids like playing with this thing? Like, what is it about this noise that they like? I don't know. But these two are always playing with this door stopper, I guess. Like, Charming will do it, and then he'll like walk away from it. Yeah, like that. What are you doing? And Fat Man keeps playing with it. Why are you trying to close it? What? What is that? Can I see? What is it? Is it fishing? Is it a fishing pole? You got your brother's basketball. Stop! Don't put that in my ear. Oh my gosh! Yeah, they're so. Oh my goodness! Here, go put that fishing pole back in your room. Come on, no, you can't. No, don't bounce it in the house. No, it's gonna make too. Stop! No, it's gonna make too much noise. Go put it back in the room. Go put it back in the room. Okay, go put it back in the room. What are you doing? You can't play with the fan. You cannot play with the fan. Can you open it? You got to turn the doorknob. Turn the doorknob, man. Turn the doorknob. Turn the doorknob. There you go. Now put it in there. Okay, now come out. Come on. No, 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 no. Come out. Come out of this room. Come on. Come out. Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. Thank you. Hi, Prince Charming. Baby Prince Charming. Leave the... Okay, leave it alone, please. OMG, are you serious? Are you serious?